Hi everyone and welcome back to WSO2 Integrator series MI with VS Code. This is the part 2 of install and setup of MI development with VS Code. So let's start. In this video, we'll be setting up the development environment in VS Code using MI extension. We'll see about the prerequisite followed by the installation process. If we talk about prerequisites, so we must have 3 core softwares in our machine for using the development with VS Code. So baseline, we must have VS Code installed. Next, we must have supported JDK according to the WSO2 MI runtime. Here are some of the links you can follow to download and set up the same. Okay, so next step is installation of the WSO2 Integrator MI extension. This step assumes you have already installed VS Code. So for installing the MI extension, there are two options. So the first option is using the VS Code marketplace. The second option is using the MI extensions or the extensions options available in VS Code itself, where we search for the appropriate extension and just click on the install option, and that's it. It is getting installed. For this video, we will be choosing option 2. So once we have installed using the VS Code extension, the icon will appear over here, and once we click it on it, the screen will look something like this. Okay, so this is the first step of the installation. The second step is to set up the JDK and the MI runtime. So once we go there, we'll see the appropriate JDK and the MI runtime where we'll install it. So once the installation is done, the screen will appear like this. So this will complete the development environment setup for integration development with VS Code for MI. Now let's see the demo. So first of all, let's start the Visual Studio Code. Okay, I'm using a Mac machine. Now let's go to the extensions option, search for micro integrator. Okay, as of now you can see there is no MI icon over here. Now let's click on install option, and that is super fast actually. The MI extension has been installed successfully in VS Code. Okay, so now let's click on this, and you can see it over here. Better we open a new window, and let's click on this MI. Okay, so to proceed further, let's have set up the home directory, and it will open something like this, and it will search for appropriate Java and the MI runtime. If it is already there, it will proceed through. If not, it will ask you for setting up the same. Okay, so as you can see, the Java and MI is not set up. We'll just click it on download Java option. It will download the same. Similarly, we'll set up the MI runtime as well for setting up the same. So just wait for a while till the post extension setup is getting completed. Okay, so Java has been installed. Now let's click on MI runtime. Okay, we'll click it here. It will ask for the agreement. So for now we are not going to read, but I recommend you to read through the license. I have already gone through the same. Just click on agree, and this MI runtime is getting downloaded in the background. So to complete the setup, it's mandatory to have all these three components must have installed and integrated properly with the proper path and the location to start with our development. Okay, cool. So our MI development environment is set up now. So thank you very much, and that's all for this video, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos on WSO2 Bytes.